Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jonathan Glazer here, and this video I'm going to be reviewing a brand new product from my friend Edwin Mick called Affiliate Domination Blueprint. So what it is an affiliate marketing course that is um, designed for beginners to be able to get in on the niche and start making affiliate commissions. Using this three-step marketing system. Before we go any further, as I mentioned, it's specifically for beginners. So I mean, if there's no next level marketing software, push button, anything like that. It's an actual way that he is making money daily using this system. It's a system he's used for years, and it's proven to work if you put in the work. So there's going to be a learning course curve, but the method works. The traffic sources are pretty solid, and he's going to take you by the hand, A to Z, and show you everything that you need to know to be able to make some commissions daily with affiliate marketing. So another thing to note is the offers that he's going to show you are mainly in the MMO niche, but it doesn't necessarily mean that you got to stay in that niche. You can use the process that he shows you to find high converting offers for any niche, and then you can use the traffic sources that he's going to show you for any niche. So I'm going to show you that in a second. We're going to go take a look at my bonuses I'm offering. We'll go into the back office. You can see the layout of the course. You can see the traffic sources that you're going to get access to, and you're also going to get access to some bonuses that he put together for you, as well as a couple upsells. So I know people are always concerned about upsells. It's a part of every course, so it's not necessary to purchase to complete the course. Everything you need is in the front end, and that I believe is going to be for under $20. I believe it starts out at $9.95 and then it gradually goes up, but I don't think it's going to go higher than $20. So you're getting a lot of value for less than $20. So so that's out of the way. I just covered what the affiliate marketing course is about. Let's go over the upsell. So the first upsell is advanced case studies. So you're going to get 2 case studies showing how he was able to turn some low ad budget into high ROI, and you'll see that inside the members area. And there's also a down sale that you can do as well, and you're going to get access to only 1 case study, but you're still going to get you're pretty much still going to get all the ads and the copies and everything that you use to get that, as well as the traffic source. And then you're going to get done for you campaigns. So this is going to help you tremendously, especially if you're not good at setting up your own sales funnels. You're just starting. You don't really know the flow of it, how it works. You can snag one of these and save yourself some time, some headaches, and some hassles. So there's only 2 upsells. They both come with down sales. So just pick whatever's best for you, whatever fits your budget. And like I said, you don't need to really get those to complete the course. You get everything in the front end. So that's pretty much, if you don't want the upsells, you don't need to get them. Just I highly recommend you do if your budget allows it, because it's going to make your life a lot easier, and in the long run you're going to make a little bit more. So that's just the way it goes. So that being said, let's go take a look at my bonuses, and then we'll take a look at the back office, and then you can be on your merry way. You can click the link below, snag this, or be on your way. So So my first bonus is one of my first courses, but very effective, so I keep offering it. It kind of ties in with the course that you're going to learn, the affiliate marketing course that Edwin created. It's going to teach you how to find offers that convert, how to build a lead magnet, and then how to build a sales funnel around that. That's going to bring in automated sales daily, all from just these simple little basic sales funnels that you set up on creating lead magnets to the funnel creation, and it only takes about 5 to 10 minutes to create these lead magnets. It's going to show you the research and then how to create them, and then offer them to your audience. So super simple, very 5 to 5 video course, so it won't take too much of your time. The next one is another method that I love using. As you can tell, I love YouTube, so I soak up every information about it, and this is one of the methods I've been using for 3 years. It's proven to work. It hasn't failed me yet. It's how I rank my videos, how I set my videos up, how I optimize them, how I research keywords, everything you need to know if you want to get into your YouTube niche, which is very powerful. My favorite source of free traffic, one of the best sources of free traffic. So everything's going to be in there, which is going to help you tremendously. So the next one is a invite-only workshop done by a 7-figure earner. He's gonna show you how to build viral funnels, and these funnels will promote multiple offers, so you can generate multiple streams of income only one link. So it's very powerful, and again, it's by invite only. So this hasn't really been too many people, so very valuable stuff you're going to find in there. And next is another exclusive only course. This was done by an expert in the SEO niche who makes a living creating and ranking websites, and they all go to the first page of Google. And he's going to show you just how he does that and how he sets up every page, his process, and so this is going to help you get lots of organic traffic down the road. So very powerful bonuses that are going to help skyrocket your affiliate marketing business or any business you got. So those are my bonuses I'm offering you. Next thing is we're just going to go take a look at the course and be done with it. So here is the members area of Affiliate Domination Blueprint. So you're going to get the welcome video. He's going to show you the whole overview of the method, what affiliate networks, and then here is the traffic sources that he's using. So he's using Bing ads and Facebook, and he's going to show you how to set those up, research, capture page, how to track everything, how to create ads, and then how to set up your first campaign. And Bing is very overlooked but very powerful, because you can get clicks for under $1 to most of your most of the high search keywords, such as make money online, make money from home, and it actually converts really well. And he's going to show you the capture pages that convert the best, how to track them, how to optimize them, and then how to bring in a very winning campaign. So it's very in-depth there. Also Facebook ads. It's going to show you how to be compliant, how to set up ads, how to build a lookalike audience, create a ad that will not get your account shut down. So he's going to take you through all that, and then of course email marketing, which is going to be what capture page creation is. So when you create your capture page, people are going to go into your list. He's going to show you how to continue making money off of that list. So he's going to show you how to create offers to promote to the people that have opted into your list, how to create an autoresponder, how to do video reviews. This one right here is really powerful, and it ties into my bonus that I showed you, which is going to help you get some organic traffic to those reviews as well. So it's going to help you a lot. Like I said, many seasoned affiliate marketers will know this, but if you are just a affiliate marketer, a beginning affiliate marketer, then this is going to help you a lot. So and then you're going to get some advertising coupons for both. That's going to help you get started, get the feel for everything, so you won't have to spend any money out of your pocket to get going with. And then here's the bonuses right here. So there you go. Hope that helped you. I hope you see the value in it. Click the link below. Snag this for under 20 bucks. Like I said, it should be $9.95 to start out with, and then it's going to go increasingly as more sales come in. So you're going to get a lot of bang for your buck, and I wanted to put out as much value as I can. So with that being said, have an awesome day. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already for more review videos, training videos, and whatever I find that's going to help make money online. So that's the goal, right? Provide value, make money online. And so have an awesome day, and I'll talk to you real soon.